So about a year ago, I purchased my Leica M6, and I've always wanted an M6 that has the M2, M3, MP kind of style advanced lever, the film advance lever. And after I did some research and I found out that you can find a black chrome version of that, because I have the black chrome M6. I ordered the part and I did some research online and I found out the tools I need and everything I need to be able to do it. But there's no video to kind of refer to, so I kind of wanted to make a quick video. So if anyone out there is trying to do it, they have something to refer to. So this is actually my first time doing this, so let's get started. All right, so we have our camera here, obviously. We have our film advance, and then we have these like circle clamp tools. So these are different sizes for different parts of the camera. We're looking for the one that's gonna be the size for this little shutter ring here on top of the shutter. It's that thin little piece on top. So once you find it, you can try a couple of the different sizes. Just find one that fits on there good. Then you just you can kind of screw it off. You can kind of see as soon as you screw it off just a little bit, the tension kind of lets off. And then you don't even really need to do it the whole time. As soon as it's a little loose, you can just screw it off by hand. And just make sure you keep track of that little washer there because you're gonna reuse that actually. So just take that off and set that off to the side. You can see there's like a little opening there. So on the film advance, there's actually a little notch. That little notch is just gonna sit right in there. And that's gonna kind of give you that little bit of play that the film advance, you know, when you can kind of move it back and forth a little bit. So set it down and you can kind of see what I mean, how you kind of have that little bit that it kind of moves back and forth, which is normal. Then you just get the washer piece and set the washer piece right back on there. And then you just get that top piece again and just screw it on by hand as far as you can by hand. And then just kind of finish it off with the clamp tool. And I didn't tighten mine too much, just enough to get it on there. It's not gonna come off. Pretty simple. So as soon as you get a correct tool, it's really not that hard. So I hope that helps someone.